Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the top 10 underrated locations in Mongolia. 1. Sukhbaatar Square. The name Sukhbaatar was given to the square in honor of Damdan Sukhbaatar, hero of the revolution, as he declared Mongolia's final independence from China. Many people tend to overlook the square as it is located right in the middle of the capital city, though tourists tend to be fascinated with the bronze statue of Sukhbaatar and the humongous sculpture of Genghis-Khan sitting on a throne parallel to the smaller statue in the middle. 2. Erdene Zuu Monastery. The Erdene Zuu Monastery is famous for the fact that it is probably the earliest surviving Buddhist monastery in Mongolia. The name translates to 100 treasures and is considered to this day one of the most important monasteries in the country. 3. Altai Tavan Bogd. The stunning park is stretched from the Tavan Bogd Massif and is located in the remote wilderness of Mongolia's border. Not only are there many tour options where you can enjoy the park whilst riding on horses or holding an eagle on your hand, but the visitors can also see the Tsenkher rock paintings. 4. Genghis-Khan Equestrian Statue. The large equestrian statue was built in 2008 on the 800th anniversary of the foundation of the Mongolian Empire in honor of its leader, Genghis-Khan. It is definitively a must for your bucket list to visit this museum/statue as you can take pictures with the leader himself. 5. Amarbayasgalant Monastery. Amarbayasgalant Monastery is one of the 3 largest Buddhist monastic centers in Mongolia. Many Mongolians don't visit the monastery as it is located in the Iven Valley near Siling province in northern Mongolia. The monastery was built in honor of Tsonjin, the first Buddhist leader in Mongolia, as he was also the founder of the Mongol school of religious art, created the minted Buddha statues that are now highly respected and recognized worldwide. 6. The Gobi Gurvansaikhan National Park. The Gobi Gurvansaikhan National Park is located in southern Mongolia, and people often visit it for the purpose of feeling like you're in Mars. The park is popular for its vastness as it is 27,000 square kilometers long and is the largest national park in Mongolia. 7. The Danzanravjaa Museum. In the 1840s, Danzanravjaa also established what is considered the first museum of Mongolia. More than 10,000 artifacts were preserved and displayed in the Temple of Exhibition at the Khamar Monastery. There were included in this museum his personal works and belongings, donations from people or high religious and political authorities, and other unusual objects collected during his numerous trips. 8. Gandantegchinlen Monastery. The Gandantegchinlen Monastery is a Mongolian Buddhist monastery in the Mongolian capital of Ulaanbaatar. The name essentially translates to the Great Palace of Complete Joy, and it has currently over 150 monks in residence. 9. Tsenkher Cave. Tsenkher Cave is considered one of the 9 wonders of Mongolia and is located in Bogd province. The historical cave includes symbols and animal forms painted from the rocky walls to the ceiling. This site is a must-visit site as it is included in the UNESCO World Heritage tentative list on August 1st, 1996 in the cultural category. 10. Gorkhi-Terelj National Park. Gorkhi-Terelj National Park is a national park in Mongolia and is famous for its tourist zone that have camps. The national park is located 37 kilometers from the capital of Ulaanbaatar and also has a Buddhist monastery that is open to visitors and is also known for its rocky monuments like the Turtle Rock and the Praying Llama Rock. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.